rising every day. What's going on, V-Risers? Hope you're doing well. Brought you in the beautiful trees with me today. And let's talk about one of the biggest secrets to health, to a healthy body, mind, soul, emotions. You guys see this shirt here? Lose your mind, find your soul. You guys, the biggest secret that even the medical establishment doesn't focus on is elimination. When we look at health, we have to look at elimination, right? Elimination, first of all, of the mind, thoughts that aren't serving you, belief systems that aren't serving you, challenging your belief systems, challenging your thoughts. How do you know your thoughts are true, right? And it's about letting go of thoughts that aren't serving you, belief systems that aren't serving you, that are holding you back, and reprogramming the mind, realizing that you are the one in control of your mind, of what you want to believe. And that way, when we start challenging our belief systems, we can start creating new ideas. We can start realizing that we are co-creators of this reality. We can start manifesting what we want. And it all starts in the mind, right? If we want to find a better job, if we want to find better relationships, it's also about letting go of toxic relationships that aren't serving you, that aren't healthy for you. It's about letting go of negative self-talk. What you tell yourself every day is so important. Reading affirmations, building on your confidence, your self-esteem, and believing that you can do this. You are good enough to do whatever it is that you want to do. But it's about changing your thoughts, letting go of what's not serving you, letting go of that shit. And also, physically, our physical bodies, you guys hear me a lot of talk about letting go of foods that aren't serving you, that aren't healthy for you, that are bringing your adrenal glands down. You know, lots of, say, stimulants, processed food, junk foods that bring down your glands over time. And if you have genetic weaknesses, what we do in this lifetime with diet and lifestyle can either start regenerating or degenerating these glands. So it's about eating healthy foods, whole foods from nature, off the vine, off the tree, hit from the sun, you know, the beautiful sun, Mother Nature. So lots of grapes, berries, leafy greens, really good for cleansing out your body, cleansing out your intestinal tract that may be constipated. So it's about letting that shit go physically as well. You want to be having bowel movements daily, not being backed up. That is good health. That is great health. Keeping the river flowing as well, keeping your lymphatic system moving, your blood moving by exercise. Right? You guys see me always outside. I'm biking, I'm running. I got my heart rate up today, so that's why I'm a little bit out of breath. But I love the sweat. It's good to sweat. And right now we got some beautiful weather. So it's great to go outdoors, move your body, push yourself, right? Never limit yourself either. Keep pushing yourself, keep rising to new heights, new challenges. And every day it's about creating healthier habits for yourself. Whether that's changing your breakfast, changing what you tell yourself, doing some meditation, spending some alone time in nature, creating new belief systems of what you want for yourself, what you want in this life. Letting go of emotions, letting your emotions run free. Emotions are energy in motion that need to be let out. So sometimes you need to have a good cry, sometimes you need to just scream. Just do that out here in nature. Just give a good scream. The birds are, you know, singing all day. Also, do more of what you love. Let go of what is keeping you in a state of fear, anxiety. Limiting the caffeine will help with that as well. But also staying in a love frequency, a love vibration. So what you're tuning into every day, what you're listening to, all affects your senses. A lot of the foods out there, a lot of the information, a lot of the music is dumbing down people, dumbing down our senses. So we have to be conscious and aware of what we're listening to daily, of what we're bringing in our mind daily, and what we're bringing in our body daily. When we focus on all these areas and we start eliminating what's not serving us, we can start to have room, create room for what does serve us. And that is the key to happiness and health and vitality and love. And when you have all of these chakras in balance, you will be rising and you will be continually growing to new heights, challenging yourself and pushing yourself. And that's what this life is all about. This is your life, this is your path. You can do whatever it is that you want. And it's all about your mind. It's all about what you tell yourself, your belief systems. If you say you can do it, you can do it. You can do anything. You know, I see a lot of even raw vegans out there that are just eating raw, 100% raw. I myself, I'm about 80%. You know, it's what you tell yourself. If you want to do it, you can do it. If you want to ride your bike every day to work, you can do it. It's what you tell yourself. So never limit yourself. And don't let anyone talk down to you and say you can never do it. When they say that, use that as motivation to do it. And when we do that, when we start eliminating what's no longer serving us, we make space for what does serve us, and we will be rising.